Hello viewers, so welcome as we work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So I want us to work it out. Please don't go away and let's follow it up to the end. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution in this case, so we all know that the maths problem that we have in this case is 5 to the power of m, then again plus 5 to the power of m is equals to 40. So how do we go about it? So the first step that you need to do, we need to factorize 5 to the power of m plus 5 to the power of m. So the reason is that these are the similar or same numbers. So here now we shall factorize it by saying 5 to the power of m into bracket 1 plus 1, then you close the bracket is equals to 40. Okay, so in this case, the reason is that when we work it out, 5 to the power of m with the number inside the bracket, we shall end up with 5 to the power of m plus 5 to the power of m. So here now we shall work out the number inside the bracket by saying that 5 to the power of m now into bracket. So 1 plus 1 in this case is 2. So we shall now have our 2 there is equals to 40. So the next step now is to divide the number by 2, here now by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. Now we shall now have 5 to the power of m is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 40, now brings 20. So it's equals to 20. Now 20 is a whole number. 5 to the power of m is a base and an index. 5 in this case is a base, m is an index. So it is difficult for us to change 20 to the base of 5. So what we need to do is to indicate the log from both sides. So now we shall now introduce the log by saying now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of m should also be equals to the log of 20. So in this case now we all know that suppose we have the log of a to the power of b. So this one can also be written as b log a. So in this case now we shall now be able to write the log of 5 to the power of m as m log 5. So now we shall have m log 5 is equals to the log of 20. For us to remain with m on this side, we shall now divide both sides by the log of 5. Then also this side by the log of 5. So that the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel. So now our value for m shall be equals to, so now shall now have m is equals to the log of 20 all over the log of 5. So the log of 20 and the log of 5 can also be expressed by saying that the value for m in this case is equals to the log of 5 multiplied by 4, then into bracket all over the log of 5. So we shall have all over the log of 5. So now we shall now say that, assume for an example we have something like the log of a b. So this one can be written as the log of a plus now the log of b. So when you write m in this case, so m is equals to the log of 5 plus the log of 4 all over again the log of 5. So we shall use 5 to divide both sides. So in this case now we shall now have the m. So m is equals to the log of 5 all over the log of 5, then now plus the log of 4 all over the log of 5. So the log of 5 and the log of 5 cancel each other. So now our value for m is equals to, so now our m is equals to 1 plus the log of 4 all over the log of 5. So we can still simplify the log of 4 all over the log of 5 by saying the value for m is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2 all over the log of 5. So reason, when we have 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2, so simply because we have 2, we shall have 2 to the power of 2. So let's now work the number out. So now our m in this case shall be equals to 1 plus, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 shall be 2 log 2, then all over here now we shall have log 5. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 5. So now our value for m, so now we shall now have m is equals to, so when you have 2 log 2 all over log of 5, so we shall now have 1 plus 2 log 2 all over the log of 5. So that is now what we shall now have, 1 plus 2, then the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So here we shall now say that, suppose we have the log of a to a all over the log of b. So this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So I want us to express the log of 2 all over the log of 5 into the form of the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall now say that, so here now we shall now have our value for m is equals to 1 plus 2. Now we shall have the log of 2 to the base of 5. So this one now shall be our exact value for the value of, to the value for m. So let's confirm if indeed we are correct by now writing our maths problem. So our maths problem was 5 to the power of m plus again 5 to the power of m is equals to 40. So where this written 5 to the power of m, we write 1 plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5. So meaning that this one now shall have 5 now to the power of 1 plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5, plus again 5 to the power of, so 1 again, plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5 should give us 40. So this one now to mean that, so we shall now have, so 5 to the power of 1, then multiply by, so this one now shall have 5 to the power of 2, the log of 5 to the power of 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5, plus again these are now 5 to the power of 1, then multiply by 5 to the power of 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5 is equals to 40. Now, so 5 to the power of 1 is 5 times 1, that is 5. Then multiply by, so 5, so this one is like the log to the base of 5 cancel with 5. So now 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then here plus 5 to the power of 1 is 5. Then multiply by 5, log of 5 cancel with this 5. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 is equals to 40. So 5 multiplied by 5. So now we shall have 20 plus 20 is equals to 40. And 20 plus 20 is 40 is equals to 40. So it means that here now we are very, very correct when you say that now our value for m. So we shall now conclude by saying that m is equals to 1 plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5. So if you really liked how we solved this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.